with regards to our school, with regards to the how we deal with the parents, it's true that you have to establish connection with the parents because it's
Mm-mm.
not so easy to like to talk to the parents. All right, your child has a problem and this and that, and then it might the parents might misconstrue you or parang mama misinterpret yung mga sinasabi mo.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, it's true na pwede siyang gawing chika or during progress reporting or like card day.
Mm.
Diba? Like, oh, why does these kids get low scores and this and that? So maybe we can ask these parents or like mother or father or "Oh, ano bang ginagawa niya sa bahay, ganito ganyan, and blah 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 blah. It's true din kay Mama Marites na to have anecdotal notes or something with the gen ed teachers because we have experienced that our gen ed teachers were asking us like, oh, you know what, can you please check my one of my students here in the classroom because he or she acts different from the others. So yeah, it's true. As I've said din sa mga comment, no to labeling po tayo mga teachers or
Mm.
anybody if
Yes.
you are not entitled to or you're not a practitioner or you're not a licensed or
License.
registered physician
Mm.
because we can be
We can be
sued.
sued.
Yeah, with that. So parang sinasabi namin, okay, ang ginagawa namin sa advisor, parang same din kami ni Mama Marites, try to write how many times does this child do such these things, blah, 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 blah. And then ano yung mga nakikita mong ganyan. And then maybe if ever you can call during the card day or maybe not only card day, but maybe you can call the parents and then have talk to the parent or, you know, after class or upon picking their kids. And then if ever that they wanted like or the teacher or the gen ed teacher cannot really explain or something, they can ask the sped our in our school our gen ed teachers would ask us to be with them so that we could
Mm.
also like explain to them somehow or give them some overview of what are these kids or this something like that, so at least these parents can be like, you know, ang tawag dun, ma-validate din nila yung mga na-observe ng teacher. Hindi naman yung, kasi may iba kasi, may mga bata who are acting differently, but we don't know, we should not, what you call that, judge immediately because we don't know,
Yeah.
might be something happened in the school or something happened at home or with the parents or with the family. So if it is frequently done or something, then we could refer it to whoever or ask somebody if yung knowledgeable in terms of these things na if qualify ba tong bata na to be part of the special education or hindi. We SPED teachers, we do usually refer them with the different clinics. Like maybe you can go to this clinic or this doctor or whatever. As long as nakuha mo na yung na-explain mo na sa kanya, and it's really true that it's so hard for parents to that are denial because me
Mm.
myself I've experienced that. I'm handling visually impaired children, and I gave a cane to the lola or to the grandmother, and then you know what the lola answered to me? Why do my granddaughter need that cane? So parang naano ako, okay, kasi alam mo yun parang
Offend pa.
oo, ay hindi naman sa na-offend, like tumulong ka na nga kasi ano
Na-offend si
visual
Lola.
ay yeah,
Na-offend si
oo,
Lola.
Yun
oo.
talaga.
Oo.
Yeah.
Yung rason niya was like, you know what, ang apo ko ano nakakatakbo ngayon sa bahay, nakakapag ano yan, lumulukso yan or
Paglaro.
whatever, ganyan ganyan. So I was like, yeah, kasi nasa bahay, meaning these kids that are visually impaired, they have this orientation and mobility na
Mm.
pagsabay, alam niya na yung mga
Alam niya.
pasikot-sikot.
Oo.
Oo, pero pag sa eskwelahan or sa
Familiar
ibang
niya yung
lugar,
face.
oo,
Oo.
hindi siya pamilyar. So that cane would be helpful. And I was like, okay, I grabbed the cane back and then dinilagay ko na lang sa drawer ko, and then I waited and then until such time that I talked to the lola and asked for like, oh, how is she doing in your house? Tapos sinabi ko din yung mga na-observe ko dun sa ano, and then sabi, sir, baka kailangan niya talaga ng ganito yung cane. Sabi ko sa sarili ko, oh, si nangangailangan ka rin naman pala, hindi mo naman. So
So,
Okay, sige. Kaya yun, nabigay ko na yung cane. So, masaya din naman. But I don't know if they're using it. But as long as I have help or like, cane is part of the low-tech assistive technology for these
Yes.
kids with visual impairment.
so,
So, yun po. I'm
okay.
happy to share.
Yeah, okay.
Hi, Ma'am
So,
Caroline.